Hey everyone, and welcome to my gallery wall. I am by no means an interior designer or a decorator or anything, and typically decorating spaces kind of stresses me out if I'm being honest. But earlier this year I was redoing my room and I had this huge empty wall that I did not know what to do with and decided that it would be fun to put together a gallery wall. And I've always been a big fan of gallery walls. If you guys have been watching my videos for a few years, maybe you would remember all of the gallery walls that I had in my college dorm rooms. I just think they're such a fun way to express yourself. It's so easy to personalize and customize to look exactly how you want. And this seemed like kind of a random video for me to be filming, but I figured this was just something small in my life that brings me a little bit of joy, and my goal with my videos is to share things that will also hopefully bring joy to all of you as well. So I hope that you guys like this video and find it entertaining or just find it useful if you're interested in starting a gallery wall too. So let's go ahead and get started. As y'all can see, I am using floating shelves, and I would highly recommend using floating shelves rather than hanging everything up separately on the wall. It will save you so much time and also make it a lot easier in the future if you want to change anything. I ordered these shelves online. I'll put a link down below if you're interested. I really like them, and special shout out to my dad for installing them for me. Moving on to the actual artwork, I would recommend starting with the biggest pieces that you have. So as you can see, I started with a few taller things and put those on the top shelf, and then I went off of some of the bigger pieces that I wanted to be focal points. I was going for a colorful theme with lots of pops of gold, as you can see, but definitely don't be afraid to mix and match your frames and the different colors that you're working with. And when you're deciding what to include in your gallery wall, I would definitely recommend having a variety of different sized frames and items. It just keeps it interesting and fun. After I finished with the bigger pieces of artwork that I had, I just went in with some smaller things and some photos that I printed off just in tiny little frames to sort of fill in the extra gaps. And speaking of frames, I would highly recommend Hobby Lobby and At Home for your frame needs. They always have them on sale, and it's where I can find the best options. And after I got everything all set up, I was just straightening things up a little bit because I am kind of OCD and wanted to make it as perfect as possible. And the final touch that I needed to add was, of course, the rainbow pom-poms. I've had these for years and they just make me so happy. I'll put a link to them down below if you want some for your room too. I just think they're the best. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it and maybe took some inspiration from it. If you're interested in starting your own gallery wall this year, or if you already have one up, I would love to see a picture of it. So you'll have to send me a picture over on Instagram, just shoot me a DM, and that would totally make my day. I just think this is such a fun way to display all of your memories, and you definitely don't have to have fancy artwork or nice prints or fancy frames in order to do that. You can literally just print things off the computer and tape them up to your wall, and it'll look good no matter what. The options are endless. But that's it for this quick video. Hope y'all liked it, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!